Managing change orders can be a nightmare, especially when it comes to construction projects, but with CoConstruct, you can simplify and streamline the entire process. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to manage change orders with CoConstruct in a way that saves you time and keeps your projects on track. Stick around to the end because we have an exclusive bonus offer to make using CoConstruct even easier. First things first, CoConstruct gives you a comprehensive system to handle change orders with ease, right from the initial client request to finalizing approvals. With a few simple clicks, you can create and track any changes in your project. Next thing, when a client requests a change, you can instantly update your project details, including pricing and schedule adjustments. No need to track everything manually. CoConstruct automatically updates the project's financials and timeline, so you know exactly where you stand at all times. The third thing you should know, you can send detailed change orders directly to your clients with CoConstruct, making sure they have a clear breakdown of the costs and schedule changes. And with the software's easy-to-use communication tools, you can ensure nothing falls through the cracks when it comes to approvals. Now, let's talk about tracking and approvals. CoConstruct allows you to get client approval for changes directly within the platform. No more waiting for emails or phone calls. Once a client approves a change, you can automatically update your project plan and proceed without any delays. Next up, CoConstruct helps you keep your financials in check by linking change orders directly to your budgets and invoices. You can track all costs in real time, so if a change order affects the overall budget, you're immediately aware and can take action accordingly. The fifth thing, CoConstruct's integration with accounting software means that all financial information is automatically synced, reducing the risk of errors when processing payments and reconciling your books. And here's a big one, you can keep your team and clients in the loop with CoConstruct's detailed reports and notifications. As change orders are made, your team receives real-time updates, making it easier to coordinate and avoid any misunderstandings down the line. At the end of the day, using CoConstruct to manage change orders means less manual work, fewer errors, and a more streamlined process that leads to happier clients and better project outcomes. Don't forget that CoConstruct isn't just for managing change orders. You can use it for managing your entire construction project, from budgeting to scheduling to communication. Lastly, if you're ready to dive in and take control of your construction projects with ease, make sure to check the first link below. With our exclusive bonus offer, you can access CoConstruct completely free. This means you'll have full access to the software, along with the added perks, to manage change orders and everything else for your projects. So remember, managing change orders with CoConstruct will make your life easier, streamline your projects, and save you a lot of time. Try it out now with our exclusive offer and see for yourself how CoConstruct can transform your workflow.